Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross SEL in Labrador Black with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot warning, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number 911448.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.